A look at today's defense news, the highlights. DRDO and IIT Delhi showcase breakthroughs in quantum communication technologies. French firm Simaero to open pilot training center in Delhi next year. BEML MDL sign pact for research in advanced marine technology. Karnataka plans 650 crore rupees hub for space and defense manufacturing. Third India-Tanzania Joint Defense Cooperation Committee meeting held in Goa to further expand bilateral ties. DRDO advancing next generation main battle tank Smoothbore gun for the Indian Army. Midhani developed SNI 41 forged slab. An RFP issued by CISF for 613 9 by 19 submachine guns with holographic sights. Connecting the roof of the world, Siachen Glacier and DBO get optical fiber connectivity. In the global news, BlueWhale submarine trials highlight German-Israeli defense collaboration. In the war zone, Army tactical missile system strike destroys Russian S-400 system in Kursk. And peace at 4 a.m. Israel-Lebanon agreed to US-sponsored ceasefire. Let's have a look at the news in detail. DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence at IIT Delhi showcased groundbreaking advancements in quantum communication technologies. These technologies, developed through collaborative efforts, emphasized entanglement-based quantum key distribution (QKD) for secure communication systems. A separate field test has demonstrated entanglement distribution and QKD over 8 kilometers of optical fiber in the IIT Delhi campus. In another initiative of quantum research, free space entanglement distribution was demonstrated using the BBM 92 protocol, a key QKD method between two tables separated by 20 meters in the lab and 80 meters in open space. This experiment demonstrated short-range quantum communication in a free space setup. In an innovative experiment, hybrid entanglement has been demonstrated in a free space environment, achieving a quantum bit error rate (QBER) of around 6% in the laboratory over a distance of 10 meters in the lab. In addition, QKD systems supporting multiple independent channels driven by a single source are also being explored with promising results. French aviation training company Simaero announced plans to open its first flight simulator training center in India by early 2025. The facility will cater to the growing demand for trained pilots in one of the world's fastest expanding aviation markets. Simaero has partnered with Turkish company Havelsan to acquire its first full flight simulator for the Airbus A320 Neo aircraft. Delhi training facility will eventually house 8 full flight simulators for narrow body aircraft, including the A320 Neo, ATR 72600 and Boeing 737. Additionally, plans are in motion to introduce a simulator for wide-body aircraft by 2026 or 27. The company has committed a substantial 200 million euros investment over the next decade to establish training facilities across India. BEML and Mazagon Docks have signed a strategic memorandum of understanding to collaborate on research and development of advanced marine technologies. BEML highlighted that the partnership underscores its commitment to strengthening research capabilities and fostering innovation in the defense and maritime sectors. BEML will leverage its expertise to provide technical guidance for the design and manufacturing of strategic equipment tailored for marine applications. The company will also focus on optimizing production processes to meet the unique demand of the maritime industry. MDL will lead indigenization efforts by drawing on BEML's capabilities in localizing production for defense, rail, and mining equipment. MDL will also provide dedicated facilities for BEML's research team to develop, test, and validate innovative technologies and systems. The Karnataka government plans to incentivize investments in a space and defense manufacturing park to be built at a cost of 600 to 650 crore rupees as it eyes a 50% share of India's space market through its space policy 2025 to 29. The hub, envisaged under the public-private partnership model, is aimed at boosting the state's deep tech sectors, including space, defense, and advanced manufacturing. The state government also wants to be aggressive on defense electronics manufacturing, which will happen at the aerospace park situated in Devanahalli. India's space sector, along with ISRO, InSpace, New Space Limited, and other private and public sector entities, is projected to grow at $44 billion in the next decade. According to data from Traxon, Karnataka has 32 space tech companies with a total funding of $323 million, while there are 15 defense tech companies in the state with $123 million in funding, both being the highest among all Indian states. The third edition of the Joint Defence Cooperation Committee meeting between India and Tanzania took place in Goa on 26th of November. During the meeting, the two sides discussed a wide range of areas of cooperation, including growing training partnership and service to service maritime and defense industry collaboration. They also reviewed the progress on decisions taken during the previous JDCCs and explored new areas to further expand bilateral defense cooperation. DRDO is actively developing smoothbore guns for the next generation NGMBT, which is part of the broader Future Main Battle Tanks project aimed at modernizing the Army's armored capabilities. The initiative is crucial as it seeks to replace the aging T-72 tanks currently in service. Let's have a look at the key features of the smoothbore guns. DRDO is working on both 120 mm and 125 mm smoothbore gun systems. This dual caliber approach allows flexibility in operational capabilities, catering to diverse battlefield requirements and evolving ammunition technologies. Smoothbore guns provide superior projectile velocity compared to rifled guns, which translates to better armor penetration and overall lethality. This design is particularly effective for firing advanced kinetic energy penetrators such as armor piercing, fin stabilized discarding sabot rounds, and high explosive anti tank projectiles. The smoothbore design allows for a wider range of ammunition types, including laser guided missiles, which can extend the engagement range significantly, potentially up to 12 meters. This capability is crucial for modern combat scenarios where precision strikes are essential. The smoothbore configuration is designed to optimize propellant use, resulting in faster projectiles that can penetrate more effectively against contemporary armored threats. The NGMBT will also feature advanced technologies such as active protection systems, enhanced composite armor, and improved situational awareness tools, making it a future ready platform capable of addressing modern battlefield challenges. It will be powered by a 1500 HP engine, ensuring high mobility across diverse terrains. It will feature an active protection system to counter modern anti tank threats, along with advanced armor systems to enhance survivability. Designed for a service life of 35 to 45 years, the NGMBT aims to remain relevant in future combat scenarios. Midhani has successfully developed the SNI 41 forged slab, which is a nickel based precipitation hardening alloy. This alloy is notable for its high strength capabilities, maintaining structural integrity at temperatures up to 871 degrees centigrade and exhibiting oxidation resistance up to 982 degrees Celsius. SNI 41 is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it suitable for high stress applications. This alloy is primarily utilized in aerospace and defense sectors, particularly in jet engine combustion chambers, due to its exceptional resistance to combustion gases. It is also employed in turbine castings, combustion chamber liners, gas turbine nozzle partitions, petrochemical reactor components, fasteners, and missile components. The robust properties of SNI 41 make it ideal for environments where both high temperature and high stress are prevalent, ensuring reliability in critical applications. The CISF is modernizing its arsenal with the release of a tender for the procurement of 613 submachine guns (SMGs) chambered in 9 by 19 mm. The tender also includes holographic sights and other essential accessories aiming to enhance the operational capabilities of the CISF personnel. The initiative is part of the CISF's ongoing efforts to equip its personnel with modern weaponry and improve their effectiveness in close quarter combat situations. The new SMGs are expected to provide improved firepower and accuracy, crucial for protecting vital installations and infrastructure across India. The tender outlines specific requirements of the SMGs: 9 by 19 mm caliber, a widely used and effective pistol cartridge. These holographic sights, advanced sights allow for quicker target acquisition and improved accuracy, essential in dynamic environments. Essential accessories could include tactical lights, grips, and slings to optimize performance and operational efficiency. The heights of the Siachen Glacier, the world's highest and the coldest battlefield, and Daulat Beg Oldi (DBO) have got optical fiber connectivity, ensuring seamless communication in extreme conditions in the region. The Siachen Glacier, located at an altitude of 18,000 to 20,000 feet in the Karakoram mountain range of Ladakh, is known as the highest militarized zone in the world. Amid the icy heights of Siachen and DBO, the signalers of the Fire and Fury Corps braved some of the toughest weather conditions to establish optical fiber connectivity at altitudes of above 18,000 feet. Daulat Beg Oldi is a strategically important military base located in the Karakoram range of northern Ladakh. In the global news, German Navy recently completed a 2-week operational trial of the BlueWhale autonomous submarine, an innovation developed by Israel Aerospace Industries in collaboration with Germany's Atlas Electronic. The BlueWhale, measuring 10.9 meters in length and weighing 5.5 tons, is equipped with advanced radar and electro-optical systems mounted on a telescopic mast. These enable the submarine to detect and monitor sea and land targets in real time, providing critical intelligence to command centers globally. Additionally, its sonar systems are designed for submarine detection and mine mapping under challenging conditions. Some news from the war zone. On 23rd of November, a precision strike targeted on S-400 air defense system in the village of Bolshoy-Zyravo, located in Russia's Kursk region. The missile strike reportedly destroyed key components of the S-400 system, including a radar station and 2 launchers, and resulted in the deaths of several high-ranking officers and technicians. The strike was carried out using 3 Army Tactical Missile System ballistic missiles. According to reports, the S-400 system was in a non-combat state, undergoing maintenance and repairs at the time of the attack. The 92N6E radar station, an integral part of the S-400 stacking and engagement system, was destroyed along with 2 missile launchers. The Israeli and Lebanese government have accepted a US-sponsored ceasefire proposal that would see Lebanese troops deployed to southern Lebanon and Israeli troops withdraw from there over the next 2 months. France would provide any necessary assistance to ensure the conditions of the ceasefire are met, but US troops would not be deployed to Lebanon. The ceasefire deal, according to a senior administration official, dictates that the US and France will join a forum for the Israeli and Lebanese army and United Nations peacekeepers to discuss alleged ceasefire and border violations. The US will now chair the mechanism, and the goal is to expedite any complaints that may arise from either side. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.